is the letter A. Today we'll learn some A words from our friend Annie Ant. Let's sing!
Annie Ant is walking by. Apple pie. Andy Alligator says hello. Away we go. A is for apple, red and round. A is for ant crawling on the ground. A is for alligator, big and green. The best letter A you've ever seen. Let's say it loud. We're so proud. Annie finds an airplane toy. What a joy. Andy claps and says hooray. Let's all play. A is for apple, red and round. A is for ant crawling on the ground. A is for airplane flying high. A is for Andy saying hi. Let's say it loud. We're so proud. Time for apples, yum, yum, yum. Here they come. Annie and Andy share their treat. So sweet to eat. A is for apple, red and round. A is for ant crawling on the ground. A is for airplane flying high. A is for Andy saying hi. We love this sound. Words are all around. Annie sees an acorn small. Watch it fall. Andy finds an arrow too. Red and blue. A is for apple, crunch, crunch, crunch. A is for ant, having lunch. A is for acorn, small and brown. A is for arrow, pointing down. We love this sound. Words are all around.
Apple, ant, airplane, acorn. All words that begin with the letter A. Next time we'll learn about the letter B. Do you know words that start with the letter B? See you soon!